Hello and welcome to another review. This time for the Lego City Set 6402. It's the monster truck. It contains 148 pieces, one minifigure. It's 5+. My 3 years old took 40 minutes to build it, and on the Lego store in Switzerland it costs $16.90. And it contains 3 normal bags, plastic bags with parts, and a little instruction manual how to build it, and the model itself. It has big wheels. It's all one part, nothing fall off. This can be moved, but it's intended to be this parts where look so. It has no stickers, only these 2 printed parts, and the minifigure also has prints when I get him out. So why not? He has this and this face, this back. Yeah, 2 different arm colors. It's special. Yeah, nothing to open or so for the motor, and the roof can be opened. This is the in look. So when the driver is in, there is the model looks from the side, from front, from the other side, the back side, top view, and the underside. So it's a little model. My now 3 years old has wished to get this in the Lego store. We was as a family there, and he chose to have this. It's 5+, but yeah, he's 3 years old, and I helped him a little bit, but we had 40 minutes to build it, and now he had fun with it. He loves it. He make ramps and other things to drive with it. It's stable, so you don't lose parts if you do something. Yeah, the tires has some direction, so if you mount this the wrong way, it looks not good. So if you mount this that way, it looks not like it should. So it has to be mounted that way. Yeah, I find this a cool set. It costs $16.90 in the retail store in Switzerland, and yeah, hope you found this little review informative, and you watch back for another. Maybe you let a like here or a comment, or you send this someone you know, and watch back for another review. Bye bye!